Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a cashew cream, and the base is so simple. It's soaked cashews, about a cup, either overnight in cold water on the counter or at least 30 minutes or more with boiling water, and that's what I'm doing here. I did measure it. It was about a cup of unsalted, unroasted cashews. My store did not have whole cashews, so I used what I had left, and I bought cashew pieces, which would work just fine. So after they soak for a while, I drain the water and add in some filtered water. I ended up adding about half the amount of water, and I still needed to add a little bit more, so just play with it. Here I was making a sweet dip for some apples, so I wanted it a little thicker, but you play with the consistency. If you're using it as a sauce and going the savory route, add some more water. This makes enough for 2 to 3 servings of dip for apples. So in this, I just added some lemon juice, some pink Himalayan salt, and some maple syrup. I also mine is just getting worn out. It's one of my most used appliances. So you can see here how thick it is, and you just blend it until it's nice and smooth. And that's the consistency you're going for. So I decided I needed to try it right away. So I cut up this apple, and it was delicious. Thank you guys for joining me. Comment below if you would like to see the savory option.